Hi, my name is Courtney Crandon. This is my intro video for educational finance. The reason I am seeking this degree is to have options in the future. I just finished my third year teaching, so I'm getting ready to start my fourth. So I'm not really looking to be an administrator anytime soon, but definitely want options later on down the road, and just kind of wanted to get my degree while college was still kind of fresh and before I start a family or anything like that. Um, I think more my plan is to be an athletic director. I think that would be really fun and something I would be good at. So leaning more towards athletic director type job, but maybe administration down the road. I am currently a PE teacher in Wichita, Kansas, USD 259. So it's a very large, very diverse district. I'm at a school of about 650 students, so it's actually me and one other PE teacher. We both teach full-time double classes all day, every day. So it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. My strengths of finance: I am crazy organized. I love to make lists and charts and keep everything in line. But my weakness would probably be math. It's definitely not my strongest thing that I have, but I'm not terrible at it, just not great. So that's definitely a weakness of mine. Some other information. The biggest thing is that this is my last class before I graduate, so I'm pretty excited to learn about educational finance and be done with classes and move on to the next chapter of my life. So, thank you.